If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to our JASMY video update today. And very quickly, do join the Discord and come to JASMY and try to write something about JASMY, whatever your ideas are for JASMY, and have a normal conversation. I need community in the Discord, okay? I need you guys to be there. This is for you, and the link is in the description of the video on how to join our Discord. So number one, we still have the same plan as I told you in the past two couple of updates, that that the prices came down, make a bear flag, and it still does look like you're looking for 4837, and basically that's going to be nearly 21% drop. And ever since I closed my trade, I've actually saved nearly 15.96%, okay, 15.6% of the market at the moment. If you've done that, congratulations. I'm still looking to maybe probably look until it doesn't really reach down here, but as I told you before, that invalidation point happens at 6491. This is where if JASMY tries to come above, I think the market is going to slightly move higher and probably back to this trend line, okay, and go to attack that trend line once again and maybe get rejected in the future one more time. So that's one thing I do see. On the daily, that's the information I have right now, and the 4-hour time frame still is kind of like this, and we're just compressed under the EMAs, okay, the 10 and the 20 here, the 10 and the 20 right there, the 10 and the 20 right over here. The maximum you can go is actually to the 55 again, backtest the 55 and try to move lower. So if you do see the prices going to the 55, not a big deal, but that's where it makes sense. If you go to 6491, not only are you going to invalidate the bear flag, but you're also going to come above the 55, and you can actually reverse the EMAs on the 4-hour time frame and make a very small bull cross for a little bit of while and push the prices up like this here. If that happens, of course. And but as long as that is not happening, my views actually remain down here. It's always about if and else conditions in crypto. It's probabilities, only game of probabilities. Now for those people, I want to show you this monthly time frame, right? So the monthly is quite ugly, and I've already talked about bearish divergence on the daily. I'm not going to go through that, but it's important to show you that how a shooting star pattern is going to look like. So just gonna write in there shooting star candlestick, and here we go. So on a nutshell, they say that this is how a shooting star may look like, and you may see shooting star looking like as something like this as well, and that's how they appear. You can also have something like this. I'm going to show you countless examples so that you may understand why I am a little bit curious about the prices on a monthly time frame. So long upper wick, candlestick wick, and for this one, this is what you have, okay? Especially when you had a green candle already, and especially when you've already moved like nearly 100 or maybe 200% move is already done, then you got to be careful. You really got to be careful. You never know if you get bigger targets. And by the way, I've made a Bitcoin update. Do watch that. There could be chances of Bitcoin coming down to 13K actually, and be very, very careful. So for me personally, we might see, of course, we have a technical target to 4-6 something, that bear flag technical target. And if you do something like this and end up coming down to 3004 by the end of the month, that's going to twist into an evening star. So that goes from shooting to evening star, okay? And it's going to be pretty much something like this that I want to show you, okay? So you have one green candle, dojis, and red candle. So the monthly can print out like this, and you're going to have 3 candles, which results into an evening star. So that's going to be bearish, and you're going to see maybe the month of April continuing even lower, and maybe finally even reaching the technical target that I gave you before to 1900 and 1700. This may piss off a lot of people, but it's just my own personal opinion, whether you like it or not. I'm just telling what's logical here, not my own personal opinions, right? So that's pretty much it for this update, and again, come to the Discord. I need you there, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.